Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. This is a very exciting video. I can't believe I'm filming this. This is going to be an unboxing of a vinyl which I have been waiting for the past few days. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? If you enjoy, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and let's get started. I cannot wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open this vinyl, shall we, which I'm very excited about. This is from HMV. So this vinyl was a HMV exclusive. I think this was around, oh, I can't remember the price of it, 30 quid or something, 24. I'll put the price on screen right now, just right there, because I honestly can't remember, but I'm very excited to open this. So let's get this open, shall we? So yes, I'm very excited about this record. I listened to this album a couple of days ago and got obsessed with it, and I had to get it on vinyl, and plus this is a HMV exclusive and it's the one pressing that I really wanted of this record. So yeah, I never can get this open. Jesus, stuck. Okay, I've managed to get the top of it off, which is amazing. Am I in focus? I don't know what's with this camera, but anyway, I think I'm back in focus now. Okay, trying to get this off is a task and a half. So yeah, as I said, this is a HMV exclusive to them. I think the pressing and the cover is actually exclusive to them. I can't get this open. God. Oh, I should probably get some scissors. That was probably a stupid move of mine, not to get scissors literally from the kitchen, but I won't be able to do it. Wish me luck. Okay, I've managed to get the flap. I don't want to turn this around because my obviously the address is on the front, so I don't want to be doing that. Okay, I've managed to get halfway through now. There we go. Like, why did you make it so difficult? So annoying. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I've managed to nearly get it. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. I didn't actually need scissors, which is very surprising. Let me just move this ring light. A minute, there we go. I can't do it. Got it. Okay, I've managed to get into it. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited about this vinyl. Okay. Oh, there's a bit more packaging at the bottom. Of course there is. Of course. Oh, jeez. God, there's like so much cardboard on. God, okay, nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly got it. Jesus. That was difficult, but I've managed to do it. What's with this camera? There we go. Okay. The excitement in me. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Like, literally so excited. I'm gonna have to put the box this way round, but oh my god, the excitement in me. This is, oh my god, it looks so cool. This is Madison Beer's Jesus new album. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited. So as it says on the sticker, this is a HMV exclusive. This is the buttercream coloured vinyl, which I really wanted, and this alternative cover as well, which I really wanted, with like the locket on front. I mean, I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy I have this in the collection. So I recently listened to this album because it came out a couple of days ago and got obsessed with it. So I love this girl now. Oh my god, this is just so cool. I mean, to hold this in my hands is just crazy. This is Madison Beer's Locket album that's just come out. Her new album, her brand new album. Oh my god. I can't believe how long that took me as well to open that. Okay, I got the vinyl right here. I might keep this hype sticker actually, but the excitement in me, I'm too excited. Okay, I'm gonna take the sticker off maybe. I have got some sleeves upstairs. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description box. Oh, if you want to go and purchase it yourself, if it is still in stock, that is. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it feels like a completely different, oh my god, it feels like a completely different like texture. It's like all my different vinyls. Wow, that is so cool. I love the feel of this. I love the alternative cover on this as well, which is just really, really cool. Trying to get this open. It's difficult. There we go. I don't know if I'll be able to take a sticker off. I don't know if I can be able to do that. There we go. Oh my god, I've got it open. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I'll tell you my favourite songs in just a second. Let me see if I can get this hype sticker off without ripping it. There we go. I've managed to do it. So much plastic. So much plastic. But yeah, here's the hype sticker right there. So the buttercream pressing, which is the one I wanted. Obviously there's loads of different pressings for this record or for this album. So, oh jeez, I've got like the rubbish next to me. Oh my god, to have like Madison Beer's Locket album, her new album, I'm honestly just so happy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, that is such a cool picture. Oh my god, I love the lace effect in this too. That is really, really cool. Okay, where's the poster at? Okay, it's in here. It's in this side. Okay, let me just open this. Okay, at the side there. Okay, so you get a poster. Oh my god, that is so cool. So there's like 4 Madisons there. That is awesome. Oh my god, to have this like in my hand, I just can't. I want to cry. Okay, I'll just put that back in there. So before I get the record out, my favourite songs on this album would probably be Yes Baby. I absolutely love that song. I was literally listening to it earlier today. Bittersweet and Bad Enough are my top 3 favourite songs off this album. I mean, beautiful. I'm so happy. I've been waiting for this now for a couple of days, so that is really cool. Oh my god, I love like the locket right there. Okay, I'm ready to see this. I don't think I have a pressing like this in my collection, so oh my god, this is the present I wanted. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. This is so cool. This is like a really pretty kind of buttercream pressing. It is so beautiful, and this is literally the pressing, as I said, that I wanted, which was the HMV exclusive to them. So I love it. Oh my god, such a pretty colour for a record, and then you got all the lyrics to each song on both sides. So I mean, come on, that is just beautiful. I really like the sticker as well there, like the lace, which is really cool. So oh, this is gonna be my new obsession. I love it. I'm so happy I unboxed that on camera for you guys. Let me just put this back in if I can. And I'm happy it's a gatefold as well, so I'm very happy about that. Okay, I don't want to damage this. There we go. So that is Madison Beer's Locket, her brand new album that's just come out. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, I'm a very happy girl at the moment, so I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching this vinyl unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. Other places to find me, you can find me on social media, Threads, TikTok, which all be linked down below in the description box of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See you later.